Hi everyone, this is Mahesh Kaamath here, founder of MAK Trading School. In this video, I'll be sharing my analysis based on supply and demand trading strategy. The stock is Chambal Fertilizers. It's a daily time frame chart. So I'm looking for an opportunity to go long in this stock. So let me just enable the supply and demand zone indicator. So once I apply the indicator, it will plot the institutional supply and demand zones. So if you see, there is a base rally formation on the daily time frame, and the value is around 382. So I'm looking to go long when the stock pulls back to this demand zone slightly above the proximal line, and the recent swing high, which is around 420 levels, would be my first target for the stock. So this can be a good opportunity to go long when the stock pulls back to this demand zone. And friends, supply demand trading strategy is a very simple strategy which focuses only on 4 formations, 2 for demand and 2 for supply. So if you want to know more about supply demand trading, you can just click on the link in the description and you'll get to know more about this strategy. So thank you for watching, friends, and keep following us for more such engaging videos and nuggets on supply and demand trading. Thank you, friends.